This is one of the Sailor's U.S. exclusives this year. It comes in the standard white Sailor outer sleeve, and then you have your navy hinged box with the Sailor logo there on the top in gold. Inside you'll see your Loch Ness Monster fountain pen. And it comes in a protective sleeve. This pin's clip is a note that Sailor recommends Sailor brand inks for your fountain pen to protect the nib and keep the warranty valid. Let's set that aside for just a second and look under your pin bed. You'll find some more information about your North American limited warranty from Sailor. Also, the pin comes with your Sailor ink cartridge, additional information about caring for your Sailor pin, and 2 Sailor ink cartridges. So this is one of 3 U.S. exclusives from Sailor out right now. The Wicked Witch of the West is out, and the Pirate's Life pin is out. This is the Loch Ness Monster. This is the standard size, 1911 standard size pin design. It also comes in the large, the 1911 large size. Your Loch Ness Monster is it's like a deep sky blue, opaque resin barrel and cap. The trim is a black, and it has the standard design, the one ring at the end of the barrel, the thick followed by the thin ring at the inside edge of the cap, the one ring at the top of the cap above the clip. The clip is your spring metal clip. The cap does screw on. The Loch Ness Monster is a reference to the legendary creature that lurks under one of the deepest deep blue lochs of Scotland. So the color of this pin, rather than being a representation of the color of the Loch Ness Monster, is probably more a representation of the color of this beautiful lake or loch where the Loch Ness Monster legend originated. The Loch Ness Monster is the latest addition to Sailor's popular 1911 lineup, and this pin I like. I love that they introduced a Loch Ness Monster version of the 1911 because it's just a mystery. While there have been many sightings, of course, nobody can prove the Loch Ness Monster exists, but we do have the fountain pen. The Loch Ness Monster fountain pen definitely exists, and Sailor created it. If you screw the cap off, you get a look at the ion-plated black fountain pen nib. This is the same nib. I believe the same black ion-plated nib was on the Sailor 1911 U.S. exclusive Wicked Witch of the West. So if you have that pen and you love that nib, you'll like this nib. It's the same nib. Okay, when you're ready to use your pen, you simply unscrew the barrel and you choose either the Sailor ink cartridge that was included with your pen, and you insert that here and then put the pin back together and go ahead and get going. You can use it right away. Or you go ahead and install your ink converter and simply fill it with whatever bottled fountain pen ink you deem worthy for your Loch Ness Monster pen. Sailor recommends using Sailor brand ink, but the ink converter, they do provide your Sailor ink converter so that you can use the fountain pen ink of your choice. And if you want more information about the Sailor Loch Ness Monster pen, you can find it along with other Sailor US exclusives at Pinchley.com.